Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today we are going to unbox this 1x12 diecast model of Royal Enfield Meteor 350 scale model, and it is an official model by Royal Enfield. And I'm also doing a giveaway of two of these. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, the rules are: first, follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. I'll provide the link in the description as well. Second, subscribe to my channel Miniature Automobiles. And third, comment done. So these are the three rules to participate in the giveaway. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel for more videos like this, let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed this video, and you can also see how we made this miniature Royal Enfield dealership by clicking this end screen video. So Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.